Hello and welcome to our channel.
We are N&J Small Engine Services, here to answer any questions that you might have about your small engines.
And if you live in the Twin Cities area and are having problems with your small engines, contact us here on our website
Or here at our phone number. Without further ado, let's get into that video.
In this video, we will cover how to replace a spark plug on a 2-stage snowblower. We will begin by locating our spark plug on the side of a snowblower. I have a ratchet, adapter, and socket. Turning to the on position and securing the socket in place. Now removing the spark plug wire coil. You can see it's quite thick for thermal protection because it's cold outside, and that is our spark plug. Let's go ahead and remove our spark plug with our ratchet in place and adapter, breaking it free with leverage. Once it's mostly out, I use a screwdriver method by twisting the spark plug out. Sometimes it doesn't always come out right away and it gets stuck, so then I use that ratchet for the remainder. Once we have our spark plug completely removed, let's go ahead and install our new one. This is an Autolite spark plug that I picked up at Menards for a couple of dollars. I find the brand very reliable and it is my go-to. Now, spark plug will vary depending on snowblower, and once I've removed the spark plug from its case, I will just be threading it into the engine block. Grabbing a ratchet and socket, I'll be fastening the socket in place. First, using the screwdriver type method and finishing it off with a few sturdy torque spins with the ratchet. One thing to note is that on every spark plug there is a crush seal. Make sure that your spark plug is in firmly. Once we've tightened in our spark plug, let's remove our socket and ratchet and secure the spark plug coil wire in place. And we are finished. That is how you replace a spark plug on a 2-stage snowblower. Thank you all for watching.